Welcome to Vignana Jyoti YouTube channel. Today I am here with you to explain the substitution method in pair of linear equations in two variables. In previous video I have explained the elimination method. Now I am going to explain substitution method. So for that I can take one example, that is solve 8x plus 5y is equal to 9 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 4 by using substitution method. Now come to the solution. You have to write down the given two equations as it is. That means 8x, given equations are 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. It can be taken as 1. Then the second one is 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. It can be taken as second equation. Okay. In this method, we have to follow some steps. The first step is you have to choose one equation. First one is you have to choose one equation. Here I would like to choose the first equation. Okay, what is that? That is 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. Now the step 2 is choose one variable in above equation. Choose one variable in above equation. Here I choose x. Then step 3 is you have to make this x as subject. 3. You have make x as subject. Therefore, this 5y to be transposed to RHS. Then what happens? 8x is equal to 9 minus 9. This plus y becomes minus 5y. Minus 5. Then we have to find the value of x. Therefore, we have to transpose this 8 to RHS. Then what happens? X is equal to 9 minus 5y by 8. Okay, then step 4. Come to step 4. Here you substitute the value of x in other equation, that is here second equation. Here second equation. Therefore, now I am going to substitute this value here only. Okay, then what is the next step? 3 of 9 minus 5y by 8 in place of x by plus 2y is equal to 4. Okay, then you have to find out the LCM. In first term 8 is the denominator. Here second term has no denominator. Therefore the LCM is 8. Now here come to the value of numerator. Here the denominator is 8. Here also the denominator is 8. Therefore no change in the denominators. Therefore there will no change in the numerator. What is the numerator here? 3 of 9 minus 5y. Therefore we have to multiply this 3 and this 9. Okay, it becomes 27 minus, then you have to multiply this 3 and this 5y. It becomes 15y plus, here there is no denominator. That means we have 1. 1 is increased by 8 times. Therefore the numerator also increased by 8 times. That means 8 twos are 16y is equal to 4. Then come to next step. Here 27 you can take it is, here 27 can take as it is. Then here these both are like terms. These both are like terms. If you add minus 15y plus 16y, it becomes plus y is equal to 4. So here we have transposed this 8 to RHS. It becomes into 8. Therefore 27 plus y is equal to, plus y is equal 32. 4 8s are 32. Then we have to find the value of y. Value of y. Therefore this 27 to be transposed, this 27 to be transposed RHS. What happens? Therefore y is equal 32 minus 27. Okay, therefore y is equal to 5. Okay, we have get one value. Therefore for second value you have to substitute this y is equal to 5, this y is equal to 5 in equation 1 or 2. Whenever you find the less coefficients, you have to opt that equation. Therefore here I opt second equation because of less coefficients. Now I will go to substitute the value of y here in this place. Okay, then what happens? 3x plus 2 of, we will write 5 instead of 5y, that is 5 is equal 4. Therefore what is the next step? The next step is 3x, this 2 into 5, 10 is equal to 4. Therefore you have to transpose this 10 to RHS. It becomes 3x is equal 4 minus 10. 4 minus 10. Therefore 3x is equal to 4 minus 10 is how much? Nothing but minus 6. Therefore you have to find the value of x. Therefore this 3 is to be transposed to RHS. It becomes minus 6 by 3. So by go through the calculations, x is equal to minus 2. Therefore we can get the values of x and y. We can get the values of x and y. So you go for verification. Okay, whether the answer is right or wrong, you go through the verification. Now I will take the first equation, that is 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. Now I go to substitute the values, that is 8. So what is the value of x? Nothing but minus 2. So that is 8 of minus 2 plus 5. Then what is the value of y? 5. Then you have to write 5 in place of y is equal to 9. Then come to LHS. If you go through the calculation, it becomes minus 16 plus, then 5 5s are plus 5 5s are 25 is equal to 9. Then LHS also becomes 9. 9 is equal to 9. It is verified. So these values can satisfy second equation also. At that time only we can verify the answer. Therefore, you have to take the second equation. You take the second equation. It is nothing but 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. Then you go to substitution. 3 of x is how much? Minus 2. Therefore, 3 of minus 2 plus 2. What is the value of y? Y is 5. Therefore, you write in the value of y, that is 2 5s is equal to 4. Now come to LHS. 3 of minus 2. 3 of minus 2 gives plus into minus. Minus 3 2s are 6 plus 2 5s 10. 2 5s is 10 is equal to 4. Therefore, minus 6 plus 4 is nothing but 4. 4 is equal to 4. Therefore, your answer will be verified. Thank you for watching this video.